Hi students, welcome to IQ Maths. Today we are discussing the 8th chapter of CBSE Standard 10, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. We are continuing the same session, that is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We know what is sin 45, cos 45 and tan 45 from the last session. What is sin 45? Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and tan 45 is equal to 1. Similarly, sec 45 is equal to root 2, cosec 45 is equal to root 2 and cot 45 is equal to 1. Today we will discuss sin 30, sin 60, cos 30, cos 60, tan 30, tan 60 and their reciprocals. Consider the triangle ABC, where ABC is an equilateral triangle. You know what is equilateral triangle? All the three sides are equal. Consider AB is equal to 2x. If AB is equal to 2x, BC will be 2x. AC will be 2x. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, this angle will be 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree. Also, this angle is 60 degree. Now, we will draw a perpendicular from the vertex A to the side BC. Let AD is the perpendicular. Perpendicular means which will make 90 degree. AD is the perpendicular to side BC. Now consider two triangles ADB and ADC. ADB and ADC are right angle triangles. When we compare both, AB equal to AC, that we know, part of equilateral triangles, 2x and 2x. AD is common to both the triangles. Since it is right angle triangle, hypotenuse equal to hypotenuse and one side is common, ADB congruent to ADC by RHS congruency. That is ADB, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. That means BD equal to DC, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We know BC is equal to 2x and D bisects BC. That means BD equal to x and DC is equal to x. Then it will become 2x. Now, angle BAD equal to angle CAD. Same CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Angle A, total angle was 60 degree. Now it is bisected and this will be 30 degree and this will be 30 degree. Both will add up to 60 degree. So now we will consider this triangle ADB. I am taking ADB only for this session. I am removing ADC. Now consider triangle ADB. This is x. This side is 2x and we can find AD by Pythagoras theorem. That is AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is 2x the whole square. 2x the whole square is equal to AD square. That we have to find out BD square is x square. That is 2x the whole square is 4x square. 4x square is equal to AD square plus x square. That means AD square is equal to 4x square minus x square, that is 3x square. AD equal to root of 3x square, that is root 3x. So we know the length of AD, that will be root 3x. Now consider the ratios. You know what is sine 60? Sine 60 is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is root 3x by hypotenuse 2x. X and x cancel, that is root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Next is cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BD and hypotenuse is AB. That is x by 2x. X and x cancel, that is 1 by 2. Next is tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is root 3x and adjacent side is x. That will be x and x cancel, that will be root 3. Now we know what is cosec 60. 1 by sine 60. So cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3. Cosec 60 is equal to 1 by sine 60, that is 2 by root 3. Next is sec 60. Sec 60 will be 1 by cos 60, reciprocal of 1 by 2, that will be 2. Next is cot 60. Cot 60, reciprocal of tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3, then cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we will take the ratios of 30 degree. Similarly, we can write sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree means opposite to 30 degree. Side opposite to 30 degree. That will be BD. Opposite side by. Here we will consider this is opposite side and this is adjacent side for 30 degree angle. For this angle. So sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. X by 2x, that is 1 by 2. Cos 30. Cos 30 degrees, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is root 3x by 2x, that will be root 3 by 2. Next will be tan 30. Tan 30 will be opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is x and adjacent side is root 3x. Value will be 1 by root 3. Now we can easily find out the reciprocals of sin 30, cos 30 and tan 30. Reciprocal of sin 30 is cosec 30, that will be 2. Sec 30 means 1 by cos 30, that will be 2 by root 3, and cot 30 will be root 3, reciprocal of tan 30. Okay, now we can check sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3, cosec 60 2 by root 3, sec 60 2, cot 60 1 by root 3. Sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3, cosec 30 2, sec 30 2 by root 3, cot 30 root 3. In the next session, we will discuss same topic, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, that will be 0 degree and 90 degree. After that, we will move to exercises and examples. Okay, see you then. Bye.